So first of all, we are going to create a light and camera from our scene. And let's jump into the front orthographic view. Move the cube above the axis. Then apply the subdivision surface and smooth it. Then just insert, select the face and insert it and extrude it. Okay. Now select the backside faces and extrude them along the y-axis, and then make it scale along the x-axis, and again then move them into the y-axis and scale into the x-axis. Then again extrude into the y-axis. Again one more time you can extrude into the y-axis and then make it scale it towards the x-axis. Then select the loop and move into the y-axis. Then select the loop of the faces and scale it down towards the x and z axis, not into the y axis, and adjust it as per your requirement. Then now select the both the side of faces and extrude them and scale it down into the z axis. Again select the axis and extrude again and make it a scale into the z axis, and then select faces, insert and extrude in. Just we created our nozzle. Again extrude these faces, small it down, create a tail of the spaceship. Make small down, select all the faces and merge them. The vertices we have to merge together, the four vertices that if it is there, this is not good for our modeling. So select all four vertices, press M and then select merge by distance. And now it's proper one single convert into the single vertex. Now select the faces, extrude above, scale it down into the x-axis. Select the edge and press G and move into the z-axis. Let's undo and select the faces, and first of all make it scale down in y-axis, and then move these faces into the y-axis, and then select the edge and move into the z-axis. Same procedure we are going to do with the backside two faces. Which is like a spikes. We are creating like a spikes as a spaceship or a insect which we are using, or animal which we are using which has an insect spikes. Okay, so now it's look really beautiful. You can see that and amazing. Now select these two faces, insert and extrude them. Again insert, extrude in, then again insert and extrude out. And we are going to create our gun for our spaceship. Extrude, leave, and then select face and move into the y-axis so it can come straight. Then again insert, extrude in, leave it, and then move into the y-axis. Then apply the loop cut, multiple loop cuts on that. Select all, press Alt and select the faces. Then again extrude along the normals and even offset apply on extrude. Then again select the faces, insert and extrude in. Okay, now it's good. Extrude along normal is working really nice. Offset even you should apply. Again extrude and insert and extrude the faces out. Okay, it's look good. You can see that it's really looking nice. Select the faces inside, and now let's create the base on which our spaceship can stand on the surface. So we are creating the legs for that. As we are doing the same procedure inside extrude, we are creating this everything with the basics of the blender, which is loop cut, extrude, insert, scale, move. Only these things will help you to create so many things, and these are the basic but most important tips to create any kind of beautiful modeling. So this kind of practice is most important for you. So follow this tutorial very nicely, and still remain over here till the end so you can see the final output, and you can get inspired to create some beautiful and amazing and sci-fi spaceship from your side or spacecraft from your side. Okay, now we are creating two more guns. It's looking amazing. Two more big guns which has two nozzles. That gun has two nozzles to fire. Again, we are going to apply the loop cut on this one and create some extra element for that. Okay, let's undo first. Create the loop cuts for both the sides so we can get the even extrude for both the nozzles. So as you have to play smartly, otherwise you have to just notify your values you applied on the extrude or move or anything. If you play like that, so you can get the same shapes on both the sides. You can use the mirror modifier, but as it is a beginner tutorial kind of thing, or you can say the intermediate also can use that kind of technique. Every time you can start with the basics, which can make your skills more capable. Again, we are going to apply the loop cuts and make them extrude by selecting the faces loops. Okay, so we have the some kind of, you can say that in our India we can say in Hindi that is singra. We have made the horns of our spaceship. Now let's again select the face inside that. Now make it rotation in individual faces and then make it extrude. Almost going good. Let's give the treatment, some more treatment. See into the matcap, you can see it's really looking beautiful and amazing. I'm going to apply the shadow and cavity values so you can see the depth of the spaceship amazingly. You can see it's looking really nice. Let's play something, let's add some more details. Bottom of the spaceship, inside the faces. Now treatment the different faces in a different way. Let's create some more things. Now let's give a tail some kind of extra accessories. You can give the small nozzles or small firing buster nozzles to the tail also. Okay, it's looking amazing again. So that's your creativity, guys. Whatever you are going to create, you have to just your imagination and that imagination will help you to create a amazing game models, amazing modeling technique, amazing outputs for your render, and that will improve your skills amazingly. Now let's apply some shaders on that one. Okay, so now select the faces, specific spaces, and apply different shader on that. If you want to see the tutorial how to apply multiple shader on single object, I will put the link above so you can go and see. You can see the eye symbol on the right corner of the our video. You can click over there and just go and check the shader editor tutorial. So I'm going to apply quickly some different shaders on the different part of this spaceship, different faces of this spaceship. It looks like a baby dinosaur spaceship, isn't it? I really love this work. Believe me, guys, if you do such kind of modeling for your practice work, and if you create something amazing, amazing things with your imaginations, it will give you more recognition in the industry, especially in gaming industry or fantasy world kind of movies modeling. It will really give you the different recognition into the industry, guys. Either it is related to the animation movie or CG comp movies, CGI movies. Let me show you some more models. You can see that's three beautiful model over here. See that I have applied the different amazing texture on this one, and that model has a different outputs, different nozzles, a different tail. You can see that it has a different guns and different looks over there. This has a something different also. You can see it over here. It's amazing, guys. It has a different looks, different legs over there, different guns over there. He has some ears on that, which it has some horns over here. So totally different looks. You can create a one idea. You can create different kind of beautiful and amazing spaceship, guys. So this is the trick of, or this is the creativity of the modeling industry. Your imagination is your main bigger weapon which can give you your space into the industry. I hope you like this tutorial. Do subscribe the channel, click onto the like button, share this tutorial with your friends, and also click onto the bell icon so you can get the notification about our Blender tutorials. Thank you very much. Stay safe and enjoy your day. Goodbye, guys.